everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. If you'd like to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase but you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase, make sure you have a Coinbase account. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and sign up for a new one. Complete your ID verification and set up two-step verification to protect yourself. And once you are done, you'll be able to buy Dogecoin. Tap open your Coinbase application if you already have one, and in the home page of Coinbase, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the trade button at the bottom in blue, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on buy. In the search box at the top, type Dogecoin, and you'll be able to see Dogecoin displayed in the search result. Tap it on, and before buying your Dogecoin, make sure you have added a payment method. If you've not yet, tap on add a payment method. Tap on the add payment method button one more time, select credit or debit card option, and fill in your information to link your card. Type in your card number in the first field, and then type in your expiration date and CVC number. Type in your postal code, and finally tap on add card. Once you've added your payment method, simply go ahead and type in the amount that you'd like to buy, and then tap on preview buy at the bottom. After you do that, follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to buy your Dogecoin on Coinbase. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.